Hello everyone, if you are dealing with the issues of Roblox installation in Windows, let me give you some ideas on what to do. Before we move ahead with the solution, let's look at the minimum requirements for your Windows. For that, click the link in the description box, which is n.help.roblox.com, and you will be able to find out all the hardware and operating system requirements needed for the installation. Also, you have to understand here that sometimes overprotective antivirus or firewall can also block Roblox installation, and you may need to turn it off till it gets loaded in the system. To turn the firewall off, search Windows Security app in computer, go to Virus and Threat Protection, click Manage Settings and turn off real-time protection for some time. Once you download Roblox and install it, make sure you turn it on once again for your security. Next, you try to delete temporary files. Understand that clearing temporary files in the computer can ease the process of installation. Search %temp in the search bar, and as File Explorer open up, delete all the files in the folder. While you install Roblox, make sure that your network connection is in stable mode and that there are no disruptions in between. With that, make sure that you check if there are any new updates on Windows, and then you download and install it in the system. We hope that using these methods, you can download and install Roblox in your system without any sort of disruption. And yes, for more such videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.